Hi, I'm Christine and I'd like to show you how to combine the Entity Component System and scriptable objects in order to create a very modular artificial intelligence. The first thing I'm doing is writing the agent class. It will help us manage each agent's current behavior as well as all the possible ones. This is necessary as we are using scriptable objects as behaviors. I'm using an interface called iBehaviorState so that I can later call the updateBehavior method using the ECS on update. I know this will sound a little bit confusing right now, but trust me, you'll understand it. The generic behavior component is an ECS component and therefore only holds data, in our case the list of all our behaviors. Now here is where the system part of ECS comes into play. Be sure to inherit from component system so we can use the onUpdate function. This is the ECS version of MonoBehavior's update. To explain in simple words, we are looking for all entities that fit my behavior criteria, so they have an agent class and a generic behavior component. I'm looping through all active agents and then through all of their behaviors. I then compare the current behavior by type to find the right scriptable object. By casting to iBehaviorState, I enable myself to call the updateBehavior function on that behavior. Shockingly enough, this is everything we need to run our AI. Of course, you need to write some custom behaviors now. Let me demonstrate what you need to do on this idle. Of course, it needs to inherit from scriptable object as well as iBehaviorState. For an idle, I need a timer which will run on its update. Once it's down, I reset it and switch to my default following behavior. Of course, if you have more behaviors than I do, you need to check and update if your conditions for switching the behavior are met, and then change the agent's current behavior if they are. Lastly, I added a wander behavior just so I have a little bit more to show and set up the entire scene that you saw in the beginning of this video. If this was too fast for you, there is a more detailed written version of this on my Patreon.